That might be the sound of a mockingbird. He has like 15 different songs. All right. Oh, is that what you're doing to me, huh? Yeah. He's saying, hey, you didn't turn me off properly. We're driving down a nice little street here. Look at these wonderful trees. That's a tall tree that I planted, that acacia tree. And we're coming along in March. We don't have leaves on these trees, but they will be coming back. The guys, when you eat a Subway sandwich, you helped build that house. The guy who created Subway sandwiches built the original house and then sold it for it to be expanded later. Nice hedge next to my house. And we have my sweetheart's beautiful garden that she's created here. So let's give you a little tour. It's a lovely day here. I wanted to share this little drive with you so that you can enjoy the flowers that we have, right? That's nice. These are plumeria. Those flowers will be coming out soon. Do you like our beautiful palm? Oh, let's look at the shadows. The shadows along our walk. This walk was created by Rocky. Look at this lovely flower that sometimes has bees around it. We call it porterweed or the purple butterfly plant. This flower is called a penta. You see how it has 5 petals? That's a penta. There's a mysterious coconut here. Somewhere here. Yep, there's that coconut. This coconut has a face on it. We love this coconut. This is the Group Captain tree. Group Captain Watts was one of my school's principals, headmaster. And this tree has the first blossom of this year. There it is. And it has a good trunk. Nice tree. And then look at how the shadows are falling on this funny looking face. That's something my sweetheart chose. There's a good cactus. And here are the trumpet, or the special tree. Apparently these blossoms are deadly to something, but they make pretty blossoms, don't they? Look at these funny things. Yeah, this is going to be a nice blossom in there. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at these pretty visions. And we're going to just stand here and watch the sun glint off of the fronds. Hope that you come down and see us sometime. Bye.